Welcome back to NeuroDrive. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever designed, the 2026 Chevrolet Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a five-star hotel on wheels. From a sleek showroom-ready design to a high-tech interior and premium comfort, this motorhome sets a new standard for road trips in the US. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is on full display inside this luxury automobile showroom, and it's a masterpiece of design. The maroon metallic finish shines under bright spotlights, while the polished glossy floors perfectly reflect the body's curves. The front design features Chevrolet's bold signature grille, sleek LED headlights, and smooth aerodynamic lines that make the motorhome look both stylish and powerful. From the side profile, you'll notice large tinted windows, premium alloy wheels, and a perfectly balanced body structure designed for smooth handling. Whether you're heading for a cross-country road trip or a luxury getaway, this motorhome is built to impress. Step inside, and you immediately feel the luxury. The living space is designed for comfort and elegance. You get plush leather sofas, ambient LED lighting, and a huge widescreen smart TV for entertainment. The wooden flooring and premium interior finishes give the space a modern home vibe. Chevrolet has made sure that every inch of this motorhome feels spacious and welcoming. The wide-angle design ensures that even with friends and family on board, you'll never feel cramped. Whether you're relaxing, watching movies, or working remotely, this living area has everything you need to feel at home. Moving on to the bedroom, this is where the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome really feels like a luxury hotel. It comes with a king-sized bed featuring premium bedding, built-in wardrobes, and side tables with modern lamps. The soft ambient LED lights around the ceiling create a warm and relaxing atmosphere, perfect after a long day on the road. There's also extra storage space, making it easy to keep your clothes and travel essentials organized. Whether it's a weekend trip or a month-long adventure, you'll sleep like royalty in this motorhome. Up front, the driver's cabin is built with comfort and technology in mind. You get leather captain seats, a digital touchscreen dashboard, LED accent lighting, and a panoramic windshield view for maximum visibility. The cabin also has advanced driver assist features, making long-distance driving smooth and stress-free. Whether you're cruising on highways or exploring mountain roads, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome delivers a premium driving experience. Now let's talk power. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome comes with a 6.6-liter V8 engine, delivering 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. That means you get smooth acceleration, great towing capacity, and stable performance, even on tough terrains. When it comes to pricing, this luxury motorhome starts at around $210,000 US, depending on customization and features. For everything you get, style, comfort, power, and technology, this price is absolutely worth it for those who want premium travel experiences. This motorhome is built for adventure lovers who don't want to compromise on luxury. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to NeuroDrive for more luxury motorhome reviews, car tours, and automobile updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.